Hello guys, good day to you all. My name is Mr. Walls underscore FX and you're welcome to Software FX Academy. On this video, I'll be teaching you about market structure and I'll be showing you how it works and how it is being used to determine when to enter a trade and how to enter a trade. So thanks for visiting Software FX Academy YouTube channel once again. I really appreciate you guys. Thanks. So what is market structure? What is market structure? Probably you've heard it a couple of times, market structure, and you're wondering what market structure is all about. The simple definition of market structure is simply the price action movement in the forex market. It is simply price action movement in the forex market. That is market structure. And that's where we have our swing highs and swing lows. We have our swing highs and swing lows. We have our demand and supply areas. We have our resistance and support areas in the market. It is simply price action movement in every forex market. Now let me start with this diagram I have here. Let me start with. I talked to you about the swing highs and the swing lows. When the market is making an upward move, you see something. Market don't just go on a straight line. It will be moving in a zigzag kind of movement, and that's what you are seeing here. This is an upward trend. This is an upward trend. The market will move, create a swing high, then a swing low, a swing high, a swing low, a swing high, a swing low. That's how the market will keep on moving. And the major characteristics of an upward trend movement is higher lows. The market will keep on creating higher lows. And look at this, a low, this is a swing low in the market. This low is higher than this low is higher than this. That's how the market will keep on creating it. And that's a major characteristic of an upward trend in the market. So in a way, if you want to identify an upward trend, you look for an area of where price is creating higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows in the market. That's a major characteristic of you having an upward trend. Then when you come to your downward trend, the market will be creating, just like the way it came up, the same way it will be making a move to the downward side. And the market will be creating a swing high, a swing low, a swing high, a swing low, a swing high, a swing low. And the major characteristics you look for to when you are looking for a downward movement is looking for market to create lower highs, lower highs. See, this high is lower than this. This high is lower than this. This high is lower than this. And that's a major characteristic for you to know that this market is on a downward push. This market is on a downward push. The market will be creating lower highs, lower highs. It will be creating lower highs. Now we have another form of movement in the market, which is in form of consolidation or a ranging market. And that's where you have the market creating equal lows. Look at all these are areas of swing lows in the market. The market will be creating equal lows, and equal highs. And when you see this happening in the market, when you see the market consolidating or creating equal highs and equal lows, the market is creating liquidity. These are areas of liquidity. If you are new to liquidity and you don't know what liquidity is all about, liquidity are just areas where money are lying fallow in the market. So the market will be creating money. Don't worry, soon I'll be dropping a video on liquidity for those that does not understand what the liquidity is, so that you have a better understanding of the liquidity in the forex market. Just follow us on this channel, our Soft Talk FX channel, and I can bet you're going to have valuable content in terms of Forex, and you're going to get yourself well equipped to face the Forex market. So when you have a consolidation market, it also means there is indecision in the market. The big players are yet to pump in money into this market. The big players are not in play. That's also the occurrence when you have a consolidation market. That's also the occurrence. The big players are yet to be in play. So whenever you see them come into play, there's going to be a breakout to either side. There's going to be a breakout, then the market tends to go after a retest, then the market tends to go that way. Then the market will tend to go that way. But in this scenario, the market is creating money. It is creating liquidity that the market will soon grab, then move in a particular direction. So that's how market structure actually affects the movement in the market. You have to understand the area of swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high in this market. And when the market is creating lower highs, you have to know that the market is about to go on a downward push. And when the market is creating higher lows, the market is about to push to the upward side. Now let's look at how all these things happen in a live market. Let's go to a live market. This is volatility 10 index. And let me show you how market structure affects this market. Don't forget, I told you market structure is simply defined as a price action movement in the market. The price action movement in the market. The price action movement in the market. You know, I told you when the market is on an upward move, it will be creating higher lows. Higher lows. Now let me show you higher lows in this market. See, the market came this way, created this low, then pushed lower. Then now we are now about to go on an upward trend. Look at this structure has been broken. That structure has been fully broken. Then the market will always return. And what did you see? Creating higher lows. The market keep on creating higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Markets keep on creating higher lows. See, we are on an upward trend on volatility 10 at this point. So you see the market creating higher low. That's how this market is. That's how the Forex market is programmed. That's how it is programmed to work. The market will keep on creating higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. That's when we are on an upward movement, upward movement. Look at, immediately we have a break of structure here. Immediately this structure got broken here. Immediately this structure got broken. Then the trend has turned to an upward trend. What price only came back to do is to look for an activation point. You know, I told you before, there is a movement in this Forex market. It will always look for an area, an institutional candle area to activate from. And that's what has happened there. Price, after breaking this structure, then price came back. For some people, they will still think the market is on a downtrend. But immediately this structure got broken, there's a change of trend. The market only came back to look for where to, to get more power to fuel the buy. And market came right back into an institutional candle area. This is an institutional candle area, and the buy started. And look at the move. Keep on pushing to the upside. The market keep on pushing to the upside. And look at what happened here too. You know, the market was creating higher lows until this time. The market was creating higher lows. But what do we have here? A break of structure. A break of structure. We have a break of structure, meaning we are now on a downward trend. We are now on a downward trend because there's a break of structure at this point in time. We have a break of structure, then that means we are now on a downward trend. Then what do I expect this market to do? You know, I told you something that market will always look for an activation point. It will always look for a place to activate from. The market will always look for an activation point to continue the sell or the buy. So what am I expecting? Let me highlight areas of institutional. These are institutional candle area. Let me highlight it where the major sell might take place from. Oh, where's my? Okay. This is an institutional candle zone. That's an institutional candle zone. Sorry, let me quickly change that. Okay. So that's an institutional candle zone. Let me mark the areas the buy might actually come and take place from. Okay, now, so don't be surprised if you see something like this happening. Don't be surprised if you see the market, you know, with the structure has been broken. As far as I'm concerned, the market is now on a downtrend because it has broken structure to the downside. So the market is expected to do this. You know, I told you there will always be a pullback, a correction. Don't be surprised if you see the market come back to this point, then dropped lower, then dropped lower. Because this structure has been broken here, the market has turned to a downward trend. It was on an uptrend until this time that this structure got broken. The upward trend structure has gotten broken. Now we are now on a downtrend. So the market will come back, look for an activation point. It can come to this place or come as far as this place. Then you see a sharp drop to the downward side. And that's how to, you know, that's how to trade using market structure. That's how to trade using market structure. So this happens in every market as well, whether the Forex market, the stock, the indices market, the crypto market, you see this playing out like every now and then. The same thing applies when you are going on an uptrend as well. You see this happening like every now and then, happening every now and then. You see it happening every now and then. So you can watch the video over and over again. And if you have questions concerning market structure, you can as well come to my Telegram channel, private chat me, or you can give me a call. You can, when you come to my Telegram channel, you can as well get my number, then give me a call. And if possible, if I have the time, I can take you on a one-on-one Zoom on market structure. So thank you guys for always returning to Soft Talk FX Academy YouTube channel. I really appreciate you guys. You guys you guys are making us proud. You are giving us hope that what we are doing is not actually a waste of time. So thank you for always returning. And if you are new to Soft Talk FX YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, like our YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that when we drop valuable content like this, you'll be the first to, see it. Thank you guys, and see you guys later.